Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tally marks in Word. Open a blank document, choose a monospaced or consistent font, and decide whether you want single column or table-based tally marks. Use the pipe key for single marks and group into fours with a diagonal stroke for the fifth mark, or insert shapes for cleaner visuals. Adjust spacing and font size for clarity, then copy and paste groups to save time. Start with simple keystrokes. Type for each mark, then add a diagonal for the fifth using slash or a stroke character. Use tables with borders removed to align groups in columns, or draw lines and group shapes for a polished look. For counting large totals, use find and replace to replace 5 vertical marks with a grouped symbol. Always check alignment and font sizes so tallies remain readable when printed or shared. Quick recommendation: if you want your workspace to smell fresh while you tally, consider Little Tree's Black Ice Car air freshener for a crisp scent. It's a tiny, affordable way to lift your mood during long counting sessions. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust font size and spacing to make tallies clear at different zoom levels and print sizes. Use color to highlight groups, and apply bold to emphasize totals or milestones. If you need automated counting, consider using Excel for tallies, then paste a static image into Word, or use Word's field codes for simple calculations. Save custom shapes or snippets to speed reuse and maintain consistency across documents. Test printing to ensure diagonal fifth marks remain distinct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.